In this section, we'll explore additional options in Build On that help you work faster, edit existing data, and refine your estimation workflow. For this, let's go to page 3. As we can see, the page details do not appear. In this case, we need to do a manual OCR. So we click on Insert, then click on Run OCR and select the page's title. There are different options such as Current Page, All Pages, and Missed Pages. If we select Current Page, only that page will run. If we select All Pages will get these options. Some pages might be missed, so all those missed pages will get OCR. So now we are selecting the current page and clicking Yes to save. Now the OCR is running. Once the OCR is completed, we will see the page number change. Another important option we will discuss is the Report option. The Report is a very important option that we have available. It helps us track all the audits and perform audits efficiently. Once the takeoff is complete, we have an option called the Legend. The common legend can be pasted, and it gives us an overview of what is present in this drawing. We can simply paste it and adjust the legend. We also have another option. Once we select the report, we can see different options appearing. Here we have markup and measurements. When we select markup, only the markups like dimension lines, legends, and all those items in these columns will be available. Markup items can be viewed as available. Next, we have the measurement option. All the measurements that we have done here will show up. We also have options like page reference type, takeoff unit, created by, updated by, date, and color. We have collapse and expand features. Since all these measurements are grouped under the page name, we can see the measurements under each page. There is also an option to export and close the report. Then let's expand it one by one. On this page, File 66, we have a meta standing seam group. As you can see, this is a pitched area measurement. This page refers to page 6. The measurement type is measurement, not a markup. The takeoff is 140.8. You can see all these measurements displayed here. When this is created, it will appear here along with the last updated information, showing who has updated it and when. The created by date and the color are also visible. An important option is that when we click on it, the areas get highlighted. This way, we can easily see which areas are being shown. This feature is very helpful for auditing. Apart from that, there is a calibrate option, which we use for setting the scale. When we click on Scale Input, all the predefined scales appear. If there is no available scale and we need to do manual scaling, we should click on Calibrate. Then Calibrate Scale, select the known 2 points and give it a name. And for example, we can name it Test. Then enter the values such as 1 foot 6 inches. After that, the scale will be added here. We can check it as needed. There is another scenario where a single page might have multiple scales. In this case, what we can do is, for example, if we have measured everything using a 1 by 4 inch scale, but now want to change to another scale, we can do that easily. We just need to select the item we want to change. Then we go to the Scale option and choose a different scale. Now we can see the scale sketch has appeared. There is also another option. If we want to display something that is not related to the scale, we can use the filter to remove it from view. If we want to reset everything, we just need to click on the Reset button, and everything will be reset. There is one more feature, the Show All Canvas option. For example, if we want to check something, we can click on the eye icon to hide everything. If we only want to see where the gutter is, we can click on it, and the gutter will be visible. In the same way, if we want to check something else, we can do it like this. This makes it easy to track what is available. If we want to go to the Estimate screen, we can simply click on Estimate. All these markup options are also available in the Insert menu options. In the next video, let's discuss calculator options to do advanced estimates